Hi learners, welcome back to our channel Raveendra for Students. In today's video, we are going to see quiz 1, that is multiple choice questions in microprocessor and microcontroller subject from unit 1 and unit 2. The first one, 8086 microprocessor could address dash size of memory. A 1 megabyte, B 2 megabytes, C 64 kilobytes, D 64 megabytes. The answer is yes, 1 megabyte. Option A is right. Second one, the way of locating the data or operands in an instruction is called A. Data mode, B. Control mode, C. Addressing mode, D. None. So it is C. Addressing mode. Next one, the Intel 8086 microprocessor is a dash processor, A 8-bit processor, B 16-bit processor, C 32-bit processor, D 64-bit processor. The answer is B 16-bit processor. Which of the following cannot be used as an operand? A variable, B register, C memory location, D opcodes. The correct answer is D opcodes. Which segment is used to store interrupt and subroutine return address? A. Code segment, B. Data segment, C. Extra segment, and D. Stack segment. The correct option is D. Stack segment. Which signal is used for multiplexing or demultiplexing of address lines? A. Read RD, B. Write WR, C. Address latch enable ALE, D. Strobe STB. The correct answer is C. Address latch enable. In 8086, the 1 megabyte of memory can be divided into segments of size A 1 kilobyte, B 64 kilobytes, C 32K kilobytes, and D 120K kilobytes. The answer is B 64 kilobytes. In 8086 microprocessor, which of the following has the highest priority among all types of interrupts? A. NMI, non-maskable interrupt, B. Division with 0, C. Type 255, D. Overflow. The correct option is A. NMI, non-maskable interrupt. Stack pointer always points to the dash of the stack. A. Bottom, B. Top, C. Middle, D. None. The correct option is B. Top. Which of the following is not an arithmetic instruction? A. Increment INC, B. Decrement DEC, C. Rotate left ROL, D. MUL. The correct option is ROL. ROL is the logical operation. It is not arithmetic instruction. The method of accessing data in stack and queue is A. LIFO, last in first out, and last in last out, B. First in first out, C. Last in first out, C. Last in first out, first in first out, and D. Last in last out and first in first out. So for stack it is last in first out, and for queue it is first in first out. So the correct option is C. LIFO FIFO. Program status register is also called as accumulator, stack, counter, flags. So it is flag. D. In directional flag DF is 0, the operation is called auto decrement, auto increment, increment by 2, decrement by 2. The correct option is auto increment. IML is used for signed multiplication, unsigned multiplication, signed division, unsigned division. So you know it very well. The correct option is signed multiplication, A. How many number of I/O ports in an 8086 can address? 2 power 8, 2 power 16, 2 power 10, 2 power 2. The correct option is B. 2 power 16. Which group of instructions does not affect the flags? Arithmetic, logical, data transfer, branch. So the correct option is branch. The correct option is data transfer. Data transfer Just copy the data from one place to another place. It won't affect any flags. What is the size of instruction byte Q in 8086? 10 bytes, 8 bytes, 6 bytes, 4 bytes. The correct option is C, 6 bytes. If there are 20 address lines in a microprocessor, what is the size of memory that can be interfaced? 64 kilobytes, 1 megabyte, 10 megabyte, 2 megabytes. So the correct option is 2 per 20, that is 1 megabyte, B. What is the length of flag register and how many flags are there in 8086? So the length of the flag register is 16 bits, and out of those 16, we know that only 9 are effectively used. So the correct option is A, 16 bits and 9 flags. And the last one, under multiple choice, if the result is too large positive number or a too large small negative number, which flag is set? Trap flag, directional flag, overflow flag, auxiliary carry flag. The correct option is overflow flag, C.